So I'm sitting here minding my own business, and I'm kind of chilled. So I'm gonna go bump up the thermostat. Oh wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Yeah, we're getting a new thermostat.
When was this a decision?
So that happens when you work for an HVAC company. All day, every day.
There's a hole in our wall.
Yeah, I get used to it.
Is that green paint?
Green, white, yellow.
Oh my gosh.
Used to be yellow and then green in here.
The perks of living with an HVAC tech.
All's fun.
Oh my god. So, how long is this gonna take you?
I don't know, 10 minutes.
It better be 10 minutes.
More like 5 minutes, actually. I'll show you guys how to replace a thermostat today.
Hurry up, I'm cold.
First things first, go in your basement, go by your furnace, and find the power switch. So usually there is a light switch on the side of your furnace or something that resembles that you need to shut off that'll shut your furnace off. Now mine does not actually have a light switch to shut it off. There is a cover there and there's no actual switch to do it. But basically, so turn your switch off on your furnace, or like I have to do is go to your circuit breaker. Oh, let's not spin you guys around here too much. Is go to your breaker box, find the one that says furnace right here, flip it in the off position. Now go upstairs and then turn your furnace back on. See if it turns on, and that's a good indication that your power is off to your furnace. Then you can start ripping apart the wires and all that fun stuff. So before you guys take your thermostat off, make sure you take a picture of the wires to know where they go. Usually these a color combination that goes with a letter combination on the thermostat. It's pretty simple to understand. You can also take apart your furnace and look at it as well, but I just recommend snapping a picture with your phone so you know how to put it back together. Or marking it or labeling it or something. But again, make sure the power is off before you do any of this, otherwise you'll mess up your furnace. So I got all my wires here. I'm going to grab my new thermostat. Grab your thermostat base, grab a level. Depending on if it's a Nest thermostat, it'll be a little different. They have level built in, but otherwise grab your thermostat base and a level. Slide it on top of the wires. Put it up here. Usually the holes will match right up with the old ones, which they do in this case. Put the screws in there. Well, sometimes I like to add a little more security, make it a little more secure to the walls. It's simple. When you get in the HVAC field, you take a screwdriver that's about the same size as your plastic insert for your drywall, and then all you do is shove it in there, ream the hole out, shove the drywall insert in, and put your screws in, and you're done. Pound the screwdriver in. I think this is the other hole.
Noise?
Pounding in drywall.
Oh.
Which I think there's wood behind that one. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger.
You just drowned our house.
Ooh, stop it. Punch drywall anchors in like that. Usually use a hammer. It works a lot better than the end of a screwdriver. Now I think my other one, I stuck there's a 2x4 right behind the other one, so I don't need an anchor there. I need an anchor on this side. Put your thermostat on through your wires, your thermostat base. Make sure you do not let this fall to the wall, otherwise you're gonna have a really, really bad day. If this falls in the wall, how are you gonna get the wire out of the wall?
Oh, in the wall.
Yeah, do not let this fall back in the wall. I think one guy did it before. Don't do it. Don't do it. You either have to start over or run new wire. Don't do it. So again, usually the holes line up, so put one screw in. Grab your level, slap it on top. I'll put your other screw in first. Just get it started at least, or have a sense of idea of where level is. Oh, there's no board behind there. Nope, we could use another drywall anchor. Look at that. Oh, the 2x4 is right here, not there. Grab another drywall anchor. Done. Put the other screw in, get it started. Grab your level, slap it on top. Get as close as level as possible to make it look pretty. wiring base, depending on the model of your thermostat. This over the wires. Some of these you might need a thermostat screwdriver to loosen and tighten the wire connections. Mine on this T6 Pro Honeywell are a push connector, so it's pretty easy, but the old one was a screw terminal, so I needed a small thermostat screwdriver. Wire it up just like you had it before. Close that up. T6 Pro has a little trim plate. You slap that on. Put your oh, it doesn't cover up all the paint.
Excuse me? Wait.
You can always pop that back off. Anyways, go it.
Do they have paint downstairs?
I hope so.
Oh my god.
Take your thermostat, put it on the base. You're basically done. Go in your directions or instructions. Set up the furnace, what you have. 1 stage, 2 stage. Same with the air conditioner. 1 stage, 2 stage. You'll set up cycles per hour, which is about 3 per first stage, second stage, and air conditioning at 3 cycles per hour, which will make sense if you look through the book. Otherwise than that, it's pretty straightforward from there, and turn your unit back on and you'll be good to go.